Alright, let's continue. Trying to get more Raritanium pieces. And there's another one. $40, finally. Alright, 40 pieces. Alright. 2 pieces at once. Awesome. One from the ship and one from the crystal. Finally I get a shield. I'm almost dead. Yeah, I'm almost dead and I finally get a shield, and that's kind of crappy. But whatever. Another piece. I get one more piece and then I'll do something else after I get one more piece. Kinda hard. Alright. Shield went away. Alright, to die. Ship can barely move. Oh, more piece before I die. It's like my will. Just to get one more piece. Yes. Okay, it doesn't matter that I died. Okay. Exit. Alright. Slim's Shack. Ship Shack. I will show you what you can buy if you get enough Raritanium. This is what you can buy. Alright. Kinda dark, but all you do is go to the vendor anyway. Okay, I have 44. For under 40, this is the only real things you can buy is right here. It's the triple boost acceleration engine, the electro mine launcher, fast lock missile launcher, torpedo launcher, advanced shielding system. That's it. Everything else is above 40. Except for the paint jobs. And you can do this on UIA too. You just have to go to the Phoenix where your ship docks. But those are like 5 Raritanium pieces. So yeah, okay, 45, I'm on away. It's a hyperspace warp system. Nuclear detonation device. Advanced, oh yeah, I already read that one. So there's really just 2 that are above 40 that I haven't bought. But I bought the plasma cannons or whatever they're called. Yeah, you want to take your ship. But yeah, I already bought those. The plasma cannon things, whatever. I bought those, and I bought the I can't remember what it's called. It's the thing lower than a triple boost acceleration engine, whatever that is. Yeah, that's what I got. So alright. I can probably go ahead and buy a couple of these things. Okay. Advanced shielding system. 24. And electro mine launcher. And then the torpedo launcher. Brings me down to 4. And this is what you can basically do if you have under 40. Now you can't buy all of these things, but you can buy, if you have like enough, you can buy those things that I just showed you. Alright. Alright. Next, we'll go to Thugs for Less Fleet on Planet Gorn. Alright. Defeat the Thug Fleet. Alright. Just take that thing out of the way. Yeah, it's a lightning storm, if you can tell. So, that's why it keeps flashing. Okay, get out of the way, get out of the way. Okay, alright, got a partial shield. Oh, crap. Okay, there's some Raritanium. The crystals aren't on this level like they were on the other one. Yeah, so all you can get, the Raritanium you can get here is from the ships. It's nothing else really. It's not much, but I'm trying to at least get 20. So I need to, and if I can't get 20 in time, then I will just get 15 and buy the other upgrade I was going to buy. Okay, Raritanium. Raritanium. 7 pieces. I might just have to settle for 15 because there's not a whole lot of Raritanium here, so yeah. Some up here. 8 pieces. Another piece. If I can't even get 15, then that's pretty low, so. This is the last one. Alright, get some bolts. Fight the bandits. Already to 10.